CruiseByMandy on board Norwegian Gem. Moving from deck 6 midship, we're going to be going in the forward direction. You do still have the same 4 elevators here. This is the lowest of the public decks that we can usually see. Magenta is one of the 2 main sit-down dining establishments that are available in the evenings that are complimentary, that are your more formal type of seatings. I can already see what the menu is for today for those who are embarking the cruise. This will be an area where a lot of people are staging right now to disembark, so this is a lot of staging equipment. Walking through here, deck 6, I did want to point out on this class of ship, you know, the Dawn, Pearl, Star, Jewel, Gem, you do have the Magenta dining room that was right here at midship. However, to get to the Grand Pacific dining room, you have to go to deck 7 aft, which you cannot reach from this direction. Basically, they share the same kitchen galley area. So we're going to move forward on this walking tour and see the other public spaces that are available to see at this time going forward. I always do these videos early morning because there's nobody in the way, and it really helps to see everything. My lifeboat drill was actually held in this particular area. Now, I do want to point out just a common courtesy thing. It's very dark in here, but you will notice how kind of thin this is between the couches and the seats. Our particular lifeboat drill was right over here in this area. We came in to sit down. There's 2 people on the orange couch with their feet completely up on the table, total bare shoes of, you know, the bottoms of their soles of their shoes. And we were sitting right there with our knees just inches from the bottom of their feet. So a common courtesy thing, it may vary in different parts of the US, but usually a common courtesy is you would not sit with your feet propped up facing people like that during the entire lifeboat drill. There's some better ways to sit properly in a chair if you're an adult. And if you're a parent, don't be afraid to correct your kid and teach them how to sit properly. Both of my girls saw that and asked, is that normal? So it was a great learning lesson. TV did stay on during lifeboat drill, so at least entertained my kids a little bit, even though it had no sound. Lots of bar areas if you do have the drink package. You'll see wheelchairs here. Let's see if there are wheelchairs there. They are not available for rent. They are mainly for helping guests get on and off the ship. So you would want to do something such as special needs at sea, or Norwegian now contracts with a different company now. This is another area that would have live entertainment in the evenings. And you can see it does open up to deck 7. It had the grand piano here, a lot of seating areas. You also have the cigar bar. First I'm going to walk in here. No, I'm not going to walk in here. It's probably locked. Oh, no, it's not. I am not a fan of smoky smells, so this is not somewhere I normally go. But it is an indoor smoking area. One of the specialty restaurants, the first specialty restaurant found at sea, is actually Le Bistro. And Le Bistro is right here in the glass windows. And it is one of their specialty dining restaurants. The dinner for the 2 of us with just an entree, appetizer, and dessert. No drinks, and keeping the entree $35 or less was over $100. So when you are considering a specialty restaurant, take that into account of purchasing the specialty restaurant pass as opposed to paying it a la carte. It does add up. Would I spend over $100 on a meal at home? Usually not, because we usually go a little bit on the lighter side, unless it's a big anniversary. We might get 3 forks, but that's very rare, but just something to keep in mind. And then over here is the kind of champagne bar area. But this is a happening point at night. And then you do have viewing up here on deck 7, which is the sake bar, the sushi bar, Orchid, which is somewhat of a specialty restaurant, but it is complimentary. And then teppanyaki is now $39 plus the 20%. So you're looking at approximately $47 for teppanyaki, which is behind that wall right there. So it gives an idea of what this area looks like. So this is deck 6 midship between mid and forward elevators. Cruise by Mandy signing off on board Norwegian Gem.